And now let's proceed to Information Revolution. The earliest writing system, Sumerian pictographs, marked the beginning of the Information Revolution. The Sumerian created the first writing system using pictographs, or picture symbols, to record ideas and information. It was the start of the Information Revolution because people could now store, share, and pass on knowledge more easily. This invention greatly changed how humans communicate and preserve history. The Mayan civilization is well-known civilization that existed for about 2,000 years ago. Listed here are the contributions. Number 1, these individuals are well known for their contribution to astronomy. Their advanced knowledge of astronomy was utilized into their temple and their other holy monuments. The Mayan were famous for their knowledge of the stars, sun, and the moon. They carefully observed the movement of celestial bodies. Mayan knowledge and understanding of celestial bodies were sophisticated for their time, proven by their ability to forecast eclipse and plant and harvesting utilizing astrological cycles. They carefully studied the sun, moon, and the stars, which allowed them to predict eclipses and known for their best time to plant and harvest crops. The use of astrological cycles show how science and farming were connected into their civilization. Number 3, the Mayans also noted for having two complex calendar system to keep track of time. These calendars were extremely valuable in their daily lives, especially for arranging activities and keeping track of religious and cultural celebration. This calendar helped them to plan daily activity, farming, and important events, as well as schedule religious and cultural ceremonies. It shows how much the Mayan value order, tradition, and connection to their society. Number 4, the Mayan also perfected the art of raising various crops and constructing magnificent cities with simple machine and equipment. The Mayan became expert in growing crops such as corn or maize, beans, squash, and chili peppers, which were their main food. They built magnificent cities like Tikal and Chichen Itza using only stones, tools, wood, and manpower without modern machines. They constructed a hydraulic system with complex waterways to supply water to several towns. Mayan also developed a hydraulic system with canals to supply water, for example, in cities without rivers. They built underground water storage called chultun. Number 5, they used a variety of tools and adapted to new developments, particularly in the arts. Mayan create looms for weaving textiles and a rainbow of dazzling colors using mica, a mineral. They invented looms to weave beautiful textile and use mica, a mineral, to produce bright colors for their designs. This shows their creativity and ability to adapt new methods in developing their arts and culture. Number 6, they are also thought to be among the first to manufacture rubber products, having done so 3,000 years before Goodyear got his patent in 1844. These ancient people were already making rubber items thousands of years ago, long before Charles Goodyear officially invented and patented the process of making rubber in 1844. In short, they discovered and used rubber much earlier than modern times. Number 7, one of the Mesoamerica's most scientifically advanced societies. They are also noted for being one of the world's first civilization to adopt the Mayan hieroglyphics as writing system. The Mayan were one of the most advanced society in Mesoamerica, which known as advanced in writing. For example, they use symbols and picture carved on stones monument to record history, astronomy, and religious events. Their writing helped them record the reign of the kings and important calendar dates. And number 8, they were also mathematicians and they devised a numbering system based on 20. They also invented the concept of zero and positional value independently of the Romans. The men were known as skilled mathematicians. For example, instead of counting fingers only 10, they are also counted toes, which make 20. They were among the first to invent the concept of zero. For example, number 2 is stone structures that have withstood earthquake and other disasters. Number 3, an irrigation system and technology for storing water for their crops to flourish on all sort of terrain. So noon pa man pala, gumagamit na pala sila ng mga irrigation system para sa mga pananim. Ginagamit nila to upang mas mapabilis yung buhay nila, and hanggang ngayon naman is na-utilize ng mga magsasaka natin dito. Number 4, a 12-month calendar to commemorate religious festival and prepare for planting season. The Incas used a 12-month calendar to guide their religious festival and farming activities. It helped them know the right times to honor their gods and plant and harvest crops. The calendar was important for keeping their spiritual life and agriculture. Number 5, the first suspension bridge. They need safe ways to cross deep valleys in rivers. These bridges were made from woven grass ropes, which were twisted into thick cables. Kipu, a system of knotted ropes used to store records that only professionals can decipher. These knots represent number and information, which helped the Incas keep tracks of things like population, crops, and taxes. Since they did not have a writing system, the Kipu was their way of recording and communicating important data. Number 7, Inca textile. A cloth was cherished aesthetic achievement. Inca weaver create beautiful pattern and design that often show social status, with the finest cloth reserved for noble and religious ceremonies. Textiles were also used as clothing, gift, and offering to the gods, making them an important part of Inca culture. And last, the Aztec civilization. Education is required. The Aztec placed a high emphasis on education, which is why all of their children, regardless of social status, gender, or age, are required to attend school. It is a form of universal or inclusive education from the beginning. This shows that the Aztec practiced a kind of universal education when learning was seen as necessary for the whole community. It reflects how much they value knowledge, discipline, and culture in the society. Hindi katulad ng ibang mga civilization na ang mga nakakapag-aral lamang is yung mga matataas ang social status, and yung meron din na ang mga lalaki lamang ang dapat na mag-aaral. Number 2, chocolates. During their time in Mexico, the Aztecs invented chocolate. It was utilized as currency in Mayan society. Cacao beans were highly prioritized by the Aztecs, who used them to pay homage to their gods. Cacao beans were very valuable to the Aztecs. They used them not only to make a chocolate drink, but also as a kind of money for trade and as offering for their gods. For the Aztecs, chocolate was more than just a food. It was a both sacred and valuable, showing importance in their economy and religion. Number 3, antispasmodic medication. They employed an antispasmodic drug that could benefit during surgery by preventing muscular spasm and relaxing muscle. An antispasmodic drug was used to stop muscle spasm and relax the body, which was especially helpful during surgery. This showed that the Aztecs were advanced in healthcare and understood how to use plants and herbs for medical purposes. Number 4, Chinampa. It's an Aztec agricultural farming technique in which the land was divided into rectangular portion and encircled with canals. This means that the Aztec create chinampa or floating gardens. To grow crops, they build rectangular plots or of fertile soil surrounded by canals which provide water for the plants. This farming method made it possible to grow a lot of food even in swampy or shallow lakes areas, showing the Aztec skills and creativity in agriculture. Number 5, the canoes was invented. A small, narrow boat used to sail over waterways. The canoes was an important invention that allowed people to travel and move goods across rivers and lakes because it was small and narrow. It was easy to paddle and could navigate through waterways. Canoes made transportation, fishing, and trade faster and easy for the people.